Hi there, my name is Henrik and I'm the head of growth here at AdChina.io. And today I wanted to give you a quick look at how easily you can set up a campaign targeting your specific Chinese audience using our AdChina platform. So here we are on our landing page on our dashboard. We're going to click in campaign, new campaign. Now here you can see the different channels that this account is connected to. So we are connected via API directly to the top channels in China. So in this instance we have Tencent's WeChat, Tencent Video, Tencent News, Mobile QQ. We also have ByteDance's Toutiao, and we have Baidu Feed. Here you can see the different creative types available on the different channels. And if you are not so familiar with the different Chinese channels, you can also click in and see an example of the different ad types. So for example, here you can see this is a very standard WeChat native ad, 800 times 800. So we're going to go with that for now. You also see that you can also see the estimated impressions. So we're going to go with, let's see, Nike demo CN just to demo account campaign. So we're going to use an imaginary Nike campaign in this demo video. So now we come to what's my favorite part of the platform, which is the targeting, because we have very powerful targeting in the campaigns. So first of all, we have the Chinese part, which is tier 1 cities, tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities, and then we have Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Macau. But we also have overseas, meaning that we're able to target WeChat users in, for example, Europe, Asia, Northern America. For example, if you want to target someone in Canada or in the US, it's also possible to do that. So in this instance, let's target tier 3 cities. So in China, it's based on tier 1, 2, 3 is based on their city size. So now we can see we have a still pretty decent reach here, amount of people we can target. We can also target based on age and gender, and then we have interests, which are estimated interests from the channel side. So that could, for example, be if they're interested in cosmetics, if they're interested in ball games. But the things with interest is that it's an estimated. They think, based on the user behavior, that this is something that they might be interested in. But we also have behavior, which is more, even more powerful. So this is behavior that is proven, that people have taken specific actions within the ecosystem, proving that they have this type of behavior. So that could, for example, be cosmetics, or in this case, since we're going pretending to make a campaign for Nike, let's use people who are interested in basketball. So now you can see we went from 267 million down to 4.2. Now that's still pretty big. And let's say we're making a campaign targeting young adults. So now we're down to 1.1. And in this instance, let's say we just want to target the male population. So now we have a very good segment targeting, which is the tier 3 cities, men aged 20 to 25 who are interested in basketball. Then it's to set up the creative. So in this case, we're using the 800-800. It's image plus text. So we can here use cropped image, but since I've already picked an image that fits this, I'm going to just use the original image. Then we put in Chinese text as well. So this is 何必等别人来证明你行? So why wait for someone else to prove you? So this is basically a Nike advertising text that I nicked from their Weibo. You can choose your start and end date, also a schedule if you have a specific time of day or specific days that you want to run it. For WeChat, there is only, or WeChat Moments, there is also only cost per mil bid available, and you can see here the recommended price range. For other channels, there are CPC as well, and some you can choose between CPM and CPC. So I'm going to leave the default bid here because we don't need to push them out very fast, so we are okay with this type of speed. We do save and next. Then here you can put in the daily expense limit, or you can put in a total budget limit. So let's set 500, 5,000, and then we submit. Then we can see a summary of what the campaign will be. You can check through it, check everything. Then when you confirm, it gets sent to us. We do a manual review. Then it gets sent to the channel, who also do a review. And as long as everything is good, then it gets set live and you're advertising towards your Chinese audience. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching.